Absolutely. Here's a 6-minute engaging YouTube video script for your 2025 McLaren Speedtail review. It's structured in paragraphic form and designed to keep your audience hooked. 2025 McLaren Speedtail review, full script. When it comes to pushing the boundaries of design, technology, and pure automotive performance, McLaren has always been at the forefront. And today, we're diving deep into a masterpiece that truly defines the future of hypercars, the 2025 McLaren Speedtail. This car isn't just a successor to the legendary McLaren F1, it's a statement of what happens when innovation meets speed, elegance, and luxury. Limited to just 106 units worldwide, the Speedtail is the ultimate blend of art and engineering, and it's safe to say, calling it a car almost feels like an understatement. Let's start with the exterior because the Speedtail doesn't look like anything else on the road, or even off it. Its design isn't just for aesthetics, every curve, every line has a purpose, feeding into aerodynamics and sheer speed. The elongated teardrop shape, combined with seamless carbon fiber bodywork, gives the Speedtail an otherworldly presence. The active rear ailerons are directly built into the bodywork, moving as the car slices through the air, no unsightly wings, just beautiful, fluid engineering. Even the side mirrors have been ditched in favor of high-definition cameras, reducing drag while enhancing the futuristic appeal. Finished in bespoke, customer-specified paintwork, the Speedtail doesn't just turn heads, it leaves jaws on the floor. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that's more akin to a luxury spacecraft than a traditional hypercar. The central driving position, a direct homage to the McLaren F1, immediately makes you feel like you're piloting something far more advanced than a car. Flanking the driver are two passenger seats, creating a unique three-seat layout. The cabin is a mix of cutting-edge technology and handcrafted luxury, with minimalist controls and a panoramic digital display that wraps around the driver. High-quality leathers, carbon fiber accents, and bespoke metal finishes create an environment that's both opulent and functional. Every button, screen, and surface has been meticulously designed to keep your focus on the drive while immersing you in pure automotive luxury. Now, let's talk about comfort, because, believe it or not, the Speedtail isn't just a track weapon. McLaren designed this Hyper GT to be as comfortable as it is fast. The seats, while sculpted for support, are surprisingly plush for a car capable of 250 miles per hour. There's also a sense of openness in the cabin thanks to the expansive glass roof, flooding the interior with natural light. Advanced noise insulation keeps the cabin surprisingly serene when you want it to be, though the moment you unleash its power, you'll definitely hear that monstrous hybrid V8 scream. Whether you're on a grand tour across continents or a spirited drive through mountain roads, the Speedtail manages to blend comfort and excitement in a way very few hypercars can. Of course, we can't talk about the Speedtail without diving into its heart, the performance. Underneath its aerodynamic shell lies a hybrid powertrain combining a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with an electric motor, delivering a mind-bending 1,036 horsepower. The result, 0 to 186 miles per hour, yes, 186, in just 12.8 seconds. That's quicker than most supercars can hit 124 miles per hour. But what's truly special about the Speedtail is how effortlessly it handles that speed. The hybrid system doesn't just boost power, it enhances throttle response, giving you instant torque at any speed. And with its ultra-light carbon fiber monocoque and innovative chassis systems, the Speedtail feels planted yet agile, even when you're pushing it to the limits. Whether you're chasing top speed records or carving through tight bends, the Speedtail delivers an experience that's both exhilarating and refined. In conclusion, the 2025 McLaren Speedtail isn't just another hypercar, it's a technological marvel, a work of art, and a glimpse into the future of high-performance motoring. It redefines what's possible in terms of speed, design, and luxury, blending them into a machine that's as beautiful as it is blisteringly fast. From its awe-inspiring exterior to its spaceship-like interior, from its grand touring comfort to its mind-warping performance, the Speedtail is proof that McLaren isn't just building cars, they're building legends. If you're lucky enough to see one in person, cherish the moment, because the Speedtail isn't just rare, it's a once-in-a-generation masterpiece. Would you like me to add a personalized intro or outro for your channel?